Hey, Mom's on the go. So we're on the way to...
You should just say we're on the go.
We're on the go. We're on the go, on the way to WholeFoods to try out a new recipe. It was for waffles. What was it, Wendy? Waffles with ice cream or something?
Yeah, waffle, like an ice cream sandwich, but like a waffle.
Yeah, and it
Like
sounded...
one waffle and ice cream and another waffle.
Yeah, it sounded so good. Like, Wendy found it on Instagram, on someone's Instagram, I think CC Vegan or something like that.
CC is vegan.
Yeah, that's it. CC is vegan. So we thought we'd try it out, get on the road, and get going. Just have a conversation while we're doing it. We're usually pretty funny in the car. Today, not so much.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, we had a good Valentine's Day. Wendy took me out to the movies. We saw... Why did this car just do that? I mean, that was a little bit too close. What's wrong with people when they're driving? I don't know. It drives me crazy. Driving drives me crazy. Back to where I was. We went to see the movies and went to this studio grill. We saw
The photograph.
Thank you, buddy. Yeah, we saw the photograph and it was really good. Issa Rae, is that how you say her name? Issa Rae was, she was executive producer of this movie, and it was really good. We're thinking that there is going to be a second part to this movie coming out pretty soon. I think yesterday was the first day, so whoops. So we are. The camera just turned. I turned, and the camera turned. So we're. Are you in it?
I am.
Okay, am I in it? Okay. So we're. What am I talking about? Oh my God!
Talk about the photograph.
Yes, it was good. There's going to be a second part to it, and you guys should go see it. That's what I was saying. Yesterday was the first day that it came out, and like I said, it was really good. So you guys have to go out and see it and make sure you support. Yesterday was first day. Who's that?
The dude that was in the movie.
Oh, he's cute. Drinking a glass of wine. And fine as a glass of wine. I'm not supposed to say that. See him? What you guys think? I was a little confused at certain parts of it, but all in all, I am so sick of this camera. But all in all, it was good. So... When he just looked up, what's his name?
Instagram.
His Instagram.
Lakeith.
Lakeith?
Lakeith.
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 Okay.
Lakeith.
Like, oh,
Like
like Lil Keith. Oh,
Love.
like Keith.
L.A.
Oh my God, that's a girl. La is like Spanish, like la. Lucky is a girl. It means a girl. Usually you name girls like Keith. We still like you.
Lakeith. Like your husband. Keith.
Spell it.
Keith.
Lakeith.
Right.
That's what I'm saying.
I thought you kept saying Lakeith. Like
No,
Lakeith.
I'm saying Keith. I can't talk right, obviously. Keith. Lakeith. She wants me to say the TH, y'all. Normally.
We should tag his far behind this.
Okay. Normally,
How old is he?
I'm saying, normally when you name someone La, it's Spanish. Okay, any Spanish people out there? La is feminine. And you name a girl when, like, a lot of ghetto people.
He's 28.
Are you
Oh, he has
listening
a
to me?
partner?
Oh, there you go.
Oh my God.
Listen, when people are in your Spanish heritage, la means feminine.
Since 2015, I'm fed up.
I'm fed up.
She
Anyway,
looks like Brandy.
she looks like Brandy. Oh, she does. She's cute. She looks exactly like Brandy. I'm fed up. Okay, where are the single dudes for? I mean, I can't. Am I supposed to turn or straight? I'll go straight.
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't know where I'm going.
What does that mean? They married or they dated? What is his partner?
I thought partner meant same sex, but
Oh, girl. It's like on Google. It'd be like partner. Oh, I should have said
I
spouse.
should have turned. Is he married?
So partner must mean that they like dating, right?
I don't know. Girlfriend is usually dating. I thought again partner was.
No.
Okay, it's not, but it's a girl. I know it's a girl, but I'm just saying that's not normally when you say this is my partner. So I guess it's her boyfriend. I guess they're dating. You guys, what does partner mean? That's a good question.
He got a kid.
Wow. He's not so cute anymore, huh? No, I'm
boy.
joking. He's okay. I like kids, but too bad he's not single. Anyway, he did a good job in the movie. The generation today. Hey, look, there's a nice movie theater right there. I wonder, it's not even open yet, but I bet it'll be packed. So we're going over here to this new little area. Are you trying to cross over? You're welcome.
She looked just like her ugly daddy.
She does. She even said, oh. Okay, y'all. This is Candid Talk here. I should be doing this live, huh? I'll check that out with all the kiddos. So we're at the Vineyards. That's what it's called. The Vineyards.
Gus's barbecue.
It's
Gus,
open
Gus,
and
Gus.
packed.
Gus.
Wow. We're hungry. It's like 1 o'clock and we're just going to get something to get some breakfast. Isn't that something? Where's the door? Is she going to cross over? Okay, I'm going to go down and try to find a door. There's a door right there.
I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't know. Oh, no, she's walking a little bit. Let's go down a little bit. Okay, here's one right here.
Camouflage, just like a booty. Invisible.
You're wrong for that. You are wrong for that, but there we go. Could have pulled it right there. I could have, but I want to back up. Hey. Back up to the music.
Oh, you can get copyrighted.
Oh my God, you're right.
It probably wasn't longer than 10 seconds.
Okay, cool. I don't want you guys to take my video off of here just for music being in the background. And what's up with that anyway? Okay, y'all see me pulling my little straps up. What's with that anyway? YouTube, like, what's the problem? It's music. Anyway, oh, check this out. Here's a Range Rover right in front of us. I need to back up just a little bit more. I feel like I just need to back up a little bit more. There's a Range Rover in front of us. It says Vegan Life, Vegan LF. Isn't that something? And they're parked over here at WholeFoods. Let me show you guys the WholeFoods, and then we're going to cut this off because we're going to go into the store. Okay. So hopefully you can see that. That's where we're going. WholeFoods. Okay, so peace out. We'll be back. Oh, it's almost 10 minutes. Is there something we can talk about for 10 minutes?
You ain't gonna
For
show
another
us something
minute?
there?
Okay, we'll show you something in the store. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so we're out of the car. And this is where we are. We're gonna have to get our bag. I think we even got a WholeFoods bag. I can't really see what I'm doing, but stay tuned. So I got all the sushi. Oh my God, and these cheesecake bites. Wow. These are cute. Okay, guys. Okay, so we're here at the counter for, we're getting the waffles. Boom. What kind of waffles is that?
Nature's Path.
Nature's Path. Okay. First waffle. Okay, we're gonna get this one. Okay, we're back from the store and we have our ingredients to make the waffles that we were discussing. The vegan waffles are gluten-free. We have the wholesome organic pancake syrup, the So Delicious dairy-free, creamy vanilla, and gluten-free home-style waffles. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make these in the the air fryer. So, oh, and yeah, these are vegan, okay? So they're vegan. So we're gonna need 2 for each. So we're gonna take out 4. We probably should have purchased 2 bags of these to have another dose, but we'll wait to see if we like it. Okay, so there are the 4 waffles. Okay, we're gonna put them in the air fryer. I wonder if we should spray it. Maybe spray them a little bit to be crispy. I don't know. Let's just do this and see. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to put it in the air fryer. Whoops. And it says on 350. Let's try 8 minutes. I'm going to start that, and we did preheat it. So we will continue in just a moment. Okay, we're back. The waffles came out of the air fryer, and we have the 2 sitting right here. So we are going to finish putting them, put the ice cream on. Okay, I don't have an ice cream scoop, so I'm just going to use a regular spoon. Okay, we're going to put the ice cream nice. And then we're going to put the other waffle on top. Okay, and then we're going to put the syrup. Oh my God, the syrup is so good. Okay, we'll let you know what happens.